Think electric bikes mean dropping $2,000 minimum? Think again. The budget e-bike market has exploded with machines that pack serious power, real range, and features that rival premium models, all without emptying your wallet. From folding commuters to fat tire trail crushers, these 20 rides prove you don't need a fortune to ditch gas stations, skip traffic jams, and rediscover the joy of two wheels. Number 20. Ride1Up Portola. Imagine a folding bike that doesn't feel like one. The Ride1Up Portola rides with the confidence of a full-size commuter, but folds small enough to slide under a desk. Its 750-watt motor has that instant punch when traffic clears, while the hydraulic brakes feel solid and predictable even at speed. The 8-speed Shimano setup keeps cadence smooth, and the suspension fork turns cracked pavement into something that barely registers. The frame feels sturdy, not the usual rattly metal puzzle, and that welded rack can actually handle serious weight without flexing. At $995, it's proof that folding bikes don't have to trade strength for size. Fold it, store it, take it anywhere, then unfold it and ride like it's worth twice the price. Number 19. Lectric XP 4. Folding bikes are supposed to be delicate. Someone forgot to tell the Lectric XP 4. This one rolls on chunky 4-inch tires that swallow potholes whole. Its 500-watt motor has no trouble keeping pace with city traffic, and the suspension fork turns rough back roads into smooth shortcuts. Hydraulic disc brakes bring confidence, while the 48-volt battery offers range that can easily stretch into a full day of riding. The heavy-duty rear rack hauls up to 150 pounds, groceries, gear, or anything else that life throws your way. Priced around $999, it's right on the edge of the budget threshold, but worth every cent. Number 18. Lectric XPress 500. Every now and then, a budget bike nails one detail so perfectly that it changes everything. Here, it's the torque sensor. Each pedal stroke feels smooth, natural, and controlled, as if the bike knows exactly how much help to give. The 500-watt motor and 55 Newton-meters of torque flatten hills with ease, while hydraulic brakes bring precise stopping power. It's equipped with integrated lights, puncture-resistant tires, and an upright geometry that keeps long rides comfortable. At $999, it delivers refinement rarely found in this price range, a commuter that feels balanced, capable, and quietly confident on every ride. Number 17. Jetson Bolt Pro. Urban streets, tight apartments, and last-minute errands call for a bike that's compact, lightweight, and easy to store. The Jetson Bolt Pro answers that need with a 350-watt rear hub motor and 36-volt battery, folding down in seconds to just 34 pounds for easy carrying or trunk storage. Its 14-inch wheels make tight turns and quick maneuvers effortless, while the single-speed drivetrain keeps things simple for short, flat commutes. With 15 to 20 miles of range, it's perfect for quick trips around town, campus runs, or popping to the store without hassle. The Jetson Bolt Pro may not be for long rides or steep hills, but for portable, no-fuss urban mobility at under $900, it hits the sweet spot for convenience and practicality. Number 16. Lectric XP Lite 2.0. Some bikes are built for distance. This one's built for simplicity. The Lectric XP Lite 2.0 weighs just 46 pounds, yet still feels solid and secure beneath you. The 500-watt motor gives a clean, steady push without jolts, and the hydraulic brakes offer instant control even on tight corners. Its step-through frame welcomes everyone, from casual riders to seniors, and the removable battery means charging doesn't require dragging the whole bike inside. The color displays and integrated lights add touches of convenience that make daily use surprisingly easy. At $799, it's compact, practical, and stylish without trying too hard. The perfect everyday e-bike for riders who value easy over extravagant. Number 15. URLIFE 20 Fat Tire. Some bikes promise range. This one laughs at the idea of limits. The URLIFE 20 can stretch up to 80 miles on a charge, a territory that even mid-range e-bikes envy. Its 1000-watt peak motor takes hills like flat ground, and those 20-inch fat tires glide over gravel, snow, and sand without hesitation. Front suspension smooths the bounce, while the frame geometry keeps riders upright and comfortable, even after hours in the saddle. With 7 gears and 3 riding modes, it adapts to the moment, part adventure bike, part commuter, part weekend escape vehicle. At $649, it's outrageously capable for its price. The URLIFE 20 doesn't just get you places, it dares you to go farther than you thought possible. Number 14. Windone E20. Stop and go traffic and crowded city streets don't have to make commuting miserable. The Windone E20, with 350-watt motor, with Shimano 7-speed gears, handles hills and uneven pavement effortlessly, while the 36-volt removable battery keeps riders moving up to 40 miles on a single charge. Step-through frame and adjustable handlebars make mounting easy and reduce strain on longer rides. Wide 20-inch tires provide stability, and front and rear racks make errands and grocery trips simple. With speeds up to 20 miles per hour, it keeps pace with traffic without feeling twitchy. Priced at $455, the E20 blends comfort, utility, and range in a way that genuinely improves daily commutes. Number 13. VIVI H7. UL. City streets and weekend trails demand versatility, and the VIVI H7 UL delivers both. Its 500-watt motor and 48-volt removable battery provide up to 50 miles of range, while 27.5-inch wheels and Shimano 21 speed gears tackle everything from climbs to flats. 5 riding modes give riders total control, from full throttle to pedal assist or full manual power. At $499, this bike is perfect for riders who want both commuter practicality and weekend adventure. Number 12. Caroma K3. Hauling groceries, backpacks, or passengers becomes effortless with the Caroma K3. Its 350-watt motor reaches 20 miles per hour, while fat 20-inch tires provide confidence on any surface. The dual-seat setup and large front basket maximize cargo space, and the battery recharges in just 3 hours. Disc brakes and front suspension keep safety and comfort high, while the step-through frame ensures easy mounting for riders of any age. Practicality takes center stage, making errands, campus trips, or short commutes smooth and enjoyable. At around $480, the K3 focuses on real-world convenience without skimping on fun. Number 11. TotGuard T276UL. Some commutes feel like obstacles, others feel like adventure. The TotGuard T276UL reaches speeds of 21.6 miles per hour, with a 500-watt motor and 48-volt battery, covering up to 50 miles with pedal assist. Its 27.5-inch wheels and front suspension fork handle cracked pavement and light trail rides, while Shimano 21 speed gearing provides climbing and sprinting flexibility. Dual disc brakes, bright LED headlights, and an LCD display ensure safety and control. At around $530, this bike is a versatile option for commuting, fitness, or weekend trail rides, delivering serious all-around performance. Number 10. Caroma Peak D2. Retro styling meets modern convenience in the Caroma Peak D2. Its 500-watt motor reaches 20 miles per hour, and the 48-volt battery covers roughly 25 miles per charge. Wide 16-inch tires and a sturdy 300-pound capacity frame handle more than just style points, while a padded seat ensures comfort on longer rides. Large front basket adds practicality, making groceries or errands easy. Perfect for teens seeking independence, commuters who want standout style, or anyone looking for a conversation-starting ride, the Peak D2 proves that bold design can meet functional performance. Priced at $359, it offers style and capability in one package. Number 9. Windone S14. Safety certifications matter, especially when trusting a machine with daily transportation. UL certification brings peace of mind alongside the 350-watt motor that supports speeds up to 19 miles per hour. The removable battery delivers 28 miles per charge, enough for typical daily needs without constant range anxiety. Dual suspension and 14-inch tires create a surprisingly smooth ride, absorbing vibrations that would otherwise transmit through the frame. The foldable design transforms storage from a challenge to convenience, fitting into small apartments, office corners, or car trunks easily. At just under $490, this represents thoughtful engineering focused on everyday riders rather than spec sheet bragging rights. Number 8. HOVERFLY URLIFE. Hills that leave other budget bikes struggling become minor obstacles with this machine. The peak 750-watt motor climbs confidently, while the removable battery delivers up to 40 miles on pedal assist. Mechanical brakes and front suspension provide control across varied terrain, from smooth pavement to rough trails. Versatility shines through multiple riding modes: pure throttle for effortless cruising or pedal assist for exercise without exhaustion. The 7-speed gear system ensures smooth transitions regardless of terrain or rider energy level. Starting at $441, this feels substantial and capable without feeling heavy or cumbersome. Number 7. HOVERFLY H3. Some bikes specialize. This one adapts. The 500-watt peak motor provides steady acceleration to 15.5 miles per hour, perfect for daily commutes without feeling overpowered or intimidated. A removable battery offers about 28 miles in pedal assist, and swapping in a spare battery extends range for longer adventures. Adjustable handlebars and seats accommodate different rider heights comfortably, while dual disc brakes and front suspension ensure safety and control. The foldable frame enables quick storage in tight spaces, but it's the thoughtful extras that impress. Baskets, phone holders, mirrors, and features that transform this from basic transportation to a genuinely useful tool. At just $399, this hits a sweet spot for versatility without complexity. Number 6. Jasion EB5 electric bike. Sleek lines hide serious capability in this city cruiser. The 750-watt peak motor reaches 20 miles per hour, while a removable 360-watt-hour battery offers up to 40 miles per charge. That range makes it equally comfortable for daily commutes or weekend fitness rides, adapting to different needs throughout the week. The suspension fork and puncture-resistant 26-inch tires smooth out urban obstacles, while dual disc brakes ensure confident stops in any conditions. 4 riding modes, including pedal assist, throttle, and booster mode for hills, provide flexibility for varying terrain and energy levels. Around $380, the EB5 delivers minimalist aesthetics backed by surprising power. Number 5. Gotrax Nano 14-inch electric bike. Compact bikes often sacrifice too much, but this one finds the balance. The 350-watt motor cruises at 15.5 miles per hour, ideal for campus navigation, short city trips, or park loops. Those 14-inch tires and lightweight frame make handling easy even in crowded spaces, while foldable handlebars enable storage in tight apartments or car trunks. A removable 36-volt battery provides up to 25 miles in pedal assist mode, covering typical daily needs without constant charging. Dual disc brakes, bright LED headlight, and reflectors handle safety during day or night rides, all available in this bike, and surprisingly, at under $380. Number 4. Isinwheel U1. City streets, crowded campuses, and tight storage spaces can turn riding into a hassle, unless the bike is designed to make life easier. That's exactly what the Isinwheel U1 delivers. It's a 36-volt battery that tucks neatly inside the frame, while the 500-watt motor powers riders up to 20 miles per hour and handles light hills effortlessly. Fast charging fills the battery in 4 hours, giving 25 miles of range for errands, commutes, or weekend adventures. Folding handlebars and pedals let the U1 slip into car trunks, elevators, or under desks, while dual disc brakes and front and rear lights keep safety covered. At $370, the Isinwheel U1 proves that compact design and serious performance can coexist in one smart, convenient package. Number 3. ANCHEER folding electric bike. City traffic becomes a playground rather than a grind with the ANCHEER folding electric bike. Its 500-watt motor and 48-volt battery zip riders to 22 miles per hour, delivering 40 to 55 miles per charge. Fat 20-inch tires and a lockable suspension fork handle pavement, gravel, trails, or even snow with confidence. 4 riding modes let you pedal manually, use assist, or go full motor. Dual disc brakes, reflectors, and a bright headlight cover safety, while the folding design transforms storage from a challenge into a quick, convenient task. Priced under $370, this bike gives all-terrain freedom without premium cost. Ideal for explorers and weekend adventurers. INSDRGN C14. Sometimes a bike should be as fun as it is functional, and the INSDRGN C14 delivers. Its powerful motor reaches 20 miles per hour while climbing hills easily, and the 499 watt-hour battery delivers up to 28 miles per charge. Roomy enough for a small pet on short rides, the low, stable riding position and dual suspension with 4 rear shocks create a smooth, cushioned experience across city streets or light trails. Dual disc brakes ensure confident stopping, while the unique design makes comfort and versatility a priority. At $369, this hybrid brings creativity and lifestyle upgrade to everyday transportation, perfect for riders craving something beyond standard e-bikes. Number 1. Funhang EBC1. Step-through frames usually signal compromise, but the Funhang EBC1 proves otherwise. Its 500-watt motor, peaking at 1,000 watts, reaches 21.7 miles per hour, powering through hills that leave other budget bikes behind. The 48-volt removable battery delivers 40 to 50 miles of pedal assist, covering full work weeks without nightly charging. An adjustable stem tilts 30 degrees, letting riders dial in perfect comfort, while the 7-speed gear system and suspension fork add refinement. UL certified battery and frame provide peace of mind. With rear rack, fenders, headlight, and horn included, it's commute ready from day one. At around $280, the EBC1 delivers incredible value and capability that rivals far pricier bikes.